If you have seen my "Which bag size do I need" video, then you might have already seen this bag. This is supposed to be an all-in-one traveling solution. Does it deliver?
Fade until you paint it black.
This is the Arcido Akra travel pack, which defines itself as a carry-on luggage system. As a whole, this system consists of the Akra carry-on bag, the Vega day pack and packing cubes. But I will only cover the Akra and the packing cubes. Hi, please excuse my voice as I'm currently fighting a little cold. And before we go into all the important aspects of this pre-production unit of the Arcido Akra bag, which are the positives and negatives of course, let's do a quick rundown of all the specs and features of the bag. 500D Blendex CODRA with PU coating, 1000D CODRA at the bottom, YKK number 5 zippers, 35 liters capacity with clamshell opening, big main compartment with optional fitting packing cubes, dual access compartment, top quick access pocket with soft inner lining, 2 side pockets, 2 water bottle compartments, safe passport pocket in the back panel, secondary compartment with lots of organizational pockets and detachable laptop harness, comfortable shoulder straps, detachable waist belt, and a big and very comfy top handle. Okay, before you comment that this was way too fast, these were basically all the infos and specs that you can find on the website or that you can find out by just looking at the bag. And I personally believe that you need to evaluate a bag or an item by the positives and more importantly by the negatives. Because even if a bag or an item is great or really good, there are usually 1 or 2 flaws or drawbacks, and you need to figure out if you can live or work around these flaws. Alright, let's start with the positives. I used the bag on a couple of business trips and a short 3-night vacation. The material of the bag is quite flexible and therefore you can fit a lot of stuff into the bag. And with this clamshell opening and the perfectly sized packing cubes, it is very easy to load. With clothing for 3 nights, my MacBook Pro, mic gear and my DOP kit, the whole bag is incredibly comfortable to carry. The shoulder straps do feel rather thin, but together with the well-padded bag, it does feel very comfortable to carry. I rarely used waist belts, therefore I welcome that they are detachable. Also, the top handle is just great. It has the right size and the right amount of padding. In terms of compartments and the amount of organization, for my needs Arcido hit the sweet spot. Not too many compartments that they would overwhelm you or take away space, and enough to find slots for all of your items. And speaking of slots, I do have a gripe with the laptop slot/compartment. To me, everything that is a hybrid or that has multiple purposes always comes with some trade-offs. This laptop harness, as Arcido calls it, is designed to A. accommodate multiple different laptop sizes by having this adjustable system, and B. is detachable so you can easily fit it in the optional Daypack Vega. In theory, this is a great solution to secure and transport your laptop, but in practice, this is getting in my way more than I like. When you adjust the harness to your laptop size, the laptop stays securely in place and is suspended from the ground. But when you take out the laptop, either at the office or at the security check at the airport, and you want to store the laptop back into the harness, I always bump against the side walls of the harness if I don't open up the secondary compartment completely. Of course you could argue that this is just a matter of getting used to, but if you want to take out your laptop quickly without a fuss, for instance at the TSA check-in, then this could become quite the hassle. Moreover, this harness system does not protect the corners of the laptop. Therefore, I probably would have preferred a regular laptop compartment. And speaking of the secondary compartment, The zippers do not open up completely to the bottom, so opening up the secondary compartment looks like this, and especially when the main compartment is fully loaded, it is not easy to do. I would have preferred that the zippers would open up to the bottom. Furthermore, these are only YKK number 5 zippers. While I did not have any problems with them, I somehow wish that they were a little beefier, considering that you can fit a lot of stuff into the bag. Just by looking at the negatives, you could assume that I did not like the bag, but this is far from the case. The laptop harness did annoy me most of the times, but the bag is very easy to load, and even fully loaded, the bag is very comfortable to carry. The design is different than what I usually prefer, but it is very refreshing. The bag is very durable and I like all the features, although I was wishing for a side handle. But with a top handle that is so comfortable and well designed, I can excuse the lack of a side handle. Keep in mind that this is a quick look of a pre-production unit and not a review, but besides the laptop harness, there's nothing major to criticize about this bag. And for a short trip as a one-bag travel solution, this bag is a joy to use. So if you're looking for a great carry-on one backpack travel solution, then you might want to take a look at the Arcido Akra backpack. As I mentioned before, there's also the Arcido Vega, that is a day pack that you can add to the system. But I haven't tested it thoroughly, which is why I didn't mention it in this video. But if you have any questions about the Arcido Vega or the Arcido Akra, of course, then please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss the next videos. Thanks.